Hello, my name is Carrie Rittenauer. This is my reflection video for my application definition statement for ADT. The purpose or main intent is to build a mobile and web application that helps vintage firearm enthusiasts find vintage military firearms for sale. They'll be looking for extremely rare or hard to find investment grade condition firearms. Most of these enthusiasts are going to want to purchase these firearms as they're either collectors or they actually use the guns out in the field. As a result, the application has to support both mobile and desktop experiences. The core functionality of the application is that they will be able to search and find vintage firearms and purchase them if they so desire. The main features of the application is to be able to search for these military firearms, filter the results by year, country, model, price, and view a detailed list of the firearms including images. There'll also be a shopping cart so they can purchase, and if they decide to purchase, there'll be a user login and also the option to sign up as a user or look up your password if you've forgotten it. A feature that would be nice to have is being able to email a particular gun to a friend or share it on various social networks. The primary persona that the first one is of John Quisley, who is a 72-year-old retired gentleman that has obtained his bachelor's degree. He is fairly new to using technology. He's taught himself how to use it, and he uses it usually on a daily basis, either on his mobile phone or on a desktop computer. He uses a Windows 10 Dell Inspiron laptop and an Android Samsung Galaxy S5. He's a retired electrician, and he's also a veteran. He wants to be able to find something quickly and easily. He's an avid collector, and he enjoys a variety of different groups on Facebook that he would like to be able to share information with if he so desires. Currently, he complains that sites don't offer him what he's looking for. He needs to find it and be able to purchase it if he wants, or some of the applications that are currently available are difficult to use. He wants a simple experience, a way to filter the results based on criteria and based on the specificity of the firearm that he's looking for. He feels that there's not enough information on current sites to help him make a purchase decision, and there's an overcomplicated sign-up process, or some sites are requiring him to have to sign up for an account to be able to just search for a particular firearm. There's the main scenario for John is that he'll use his laptop or his phone. Basically uses his laptop. He navigates to the application. He wants to be able to run a basic search for a firearm that he's looking to purchase. The parameters usually vary for what he's looking for, and sometimes he will actually use refinement method to filter out the results based on a variety of parameters. Once the results are displayed, he can scan an image, a small thumbnail, or a title. His secondary goal is to be able to find the item he's interested in, either click on the thumbnail or the title and read more detailed information about the item, and also look at a variety of other pictures of the item. If he's interested, he can purchase the item. If he feels that he has a friend in a particular group or in another social setting that he would like to share it with, he can do so via email or social network. He primarily is using Facebook. My secondary persona is Mike Parnell. He's a 43-year-old director of sales who has a college, an MBA. He's very highly familiar with technology, uses it on a daily basis on his MacBook Pro, his iPhone, and iPad. He's currently using OS X Lion. Mike is an avid technology user. He wants instant gratification. He wants to find something quickly and purchase it. He wants to be able to do the search in a simple way, filter it, and then check out. He doesn't want a complicated checkout, and he finds it rather complicated to search for a gun on a site that doesn't have a search feature. So Mike wants to open his laptop, navigate to the application, or use his phone to run a basic search, and use parameters that he can filter so by a variety of different filters, and that he can use a title or a thumbnail to actually pull up the result, scan the information on the details, look at additional images, and if he so desires, he can purchase the item. The use case diagram that I created has the actor, which is a person using the navigation, enter search criteria, and then they're brought back with results. They can further filter those results, receive additional information. They can drill down to the item detail, which includes additional images, or they can email or share the search criteria that they find. Additionally, they can decide to purchase the item. It's essential when they do decide to purchase that they need to either sign up for an account by registering as a new user, or they can actually do a forgotten password username lookup.